I feel afraid to speak English. I want to share something. Okay, sir. People laugh when I speak English.
That must feel very bad.
I'm scared to speak in front of people.
Don't worry. Sarah, everyone starts somewhere. Start with simple present tense. We use it for daily life. This prevents confusion. Learners now understand purpose, not just rules.
Wow, I will use it in my daily life. Can you teach me?
Of course, let's look inside. Let's read, I wake up, I drink water.
I wake up, I drink water.
Very good. What do you do in the morning?
I usually go for a walk on the garden path. I eat bread, I drink tea.
Simple words, strong memories.
I feel shy.
Practice gives confidence. Mistakes help learning. Don't compare yourself. Start small.
I eat food, I drink water. I walk daily. I try again.
Take your time.
Can you repeat? I read stories. I listen every day. I practice alone.
The sun rises in the east. Class starts at 9. Habits, facts, routines. Do you feel better?
Yes, I do.
Never stop practicing.
I practice daily. I believe in myself. I enjoy speaking English.
Learning is step by step.
Subscribe for more informative videos.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, look at the sky.
Wow, the clouds are so fluffy.